we're trying to build this very cool VDC, Virtual Design and Construction room, in big room down at Startup Campus here in center of Oslo, where we're not just trying to make a standard VDC room, we're trying to optimize everything. We will be building this great BIM cave, and we will have these working stations, and we will have like seamless data flow between the stations, and maybe some special tools to design better. And we're going to try to optimize the room in every possible way we can. Also interior, of course, so it's a very nice room to come and visit and plan our buildings. This is very much in relation to ISO 19650 that I talk a lot about, which is like the new framework for BIM models, for delivering BIM models.
What would be the purpose of this room? How are you going to monetize this?
The purpose of the room will be to basically make sure that the people planning the project has all the tools possible to make the building look as good as possible. For example, it will be very good for user involvement. One really cool project, this company Color Prime that delivers BIM caves. They had their BIM cave in this project in Finland. I think it was Oulu University Hospital, where I think they saved like they involved 750 doctors and nurses, and they stipulated that they saved like 150 million euros in the construction phase. But that's nothing. They think that they've saved maybe 2 billion euros in the operational phase.
Wow.
Because doctors and nurses, they know a lot more about where they want to have their things, and then they can plan way better and save a lot of money. But because like the operation cost of a hospital is huge, so it's very good for that, for example.
Yeah. Okay. If I can make a point to this now I understand. So the point of this is to have these BIM caves like modules, and build them on the building site for everybody involved to be easier to interact, or you will have yourself in a place where you are going to rent out.
Yeah, that is the main business model, to have it as a service,
Okay, I understand. But it would be possible for someone, for a big customer, like here in Finland, did they use this cave on site where the hospital was being built, or they did that from a specific location?
I think in that project they actually had the BIM cave on the project, but our solution is much more like people can come and rent the room.
I understand.
That would be the idea, and we will have this great big cloud system so people can have sort of their account with their data in it. So it's very data focused. Of course, some clients will just opt to use like BIM sync or something like that, but for some projects that really are data sensitive, they want to have like the data secured on a server, and we'll be able to offer them that as well.
I understand.
And of course, we're in collaboration with Dimension 10 that will also deliver VR glasses, and we're speaking to Philips Hue for lighting system. We have disruptive technologies sensors. We have everything sensors. So we will sort of have like a smart home solution on top of it. So it sort of helped the communication, because that is sort of the center of the problem, because we're humans, we're actually dog shit at communicating with each other. We really could use these tools to sort of, it's all about communicating ideas, because like when we just sit in a room with no screens, or maybe just a BIM model on the computer, there is a lot of communication being lost, and VR and AR is all about helping us communicate better.